Water is the elixir of life, and the timing of its consumption can significantly impact your health. There's a lot more to that simple act of drinking water, especially when done on an empty stomach. Here are 10 compelling reasons why this practice should become an essential part of your daily routine. 1. Metabolic ignition. Initiating your day with a glass of water on an empty stomach acts as a catalyst for your metabolism. This ritual kickstarts bodily processes, paving the way for efficient digestion and heightened metabolic functions. 2. Detoxification dynamo. Water on an empty stomach acts as a purifying agent, orchestrating the expulsion of toxins from your system. It initiates a cleansing spree, ridding your body of waste and elevating overall physiological functions. 3. Digestive harmony. A timely intake of water primes your stomach for the day ahead. It triggers the secretion of digestive juices, facilitating a smoother and more efficient breakdown of food consumed throughout the day. 4. Energy elevation. Hydration is the cornerstone of energy. Commencing your day with water infuses vitality into your body, fostering a recharged and focused state that endures through the day. 5. Weight management ally. Water on an empty stomach can be a silent companion in weight management. It curbs cravings and induces a sense of fullness, contributing to a controlled calorie intake and aiding in weight regulation. 6. Radiant skin support. Optimal hydration is the secret behind radiant skin. Water intake on an empty stomach preserves skin elasticity and contributes to a luminous complexion. 7. Headache halt. Dehydration often triggers headaches. A morning glass of water serves as a preemptive strike against this, ensuring your body remains adequately hydrated and minimizing the onset of headaches. 8. Nutrient absorption enhancement. Adequate hydration is pivotal for optimal nutrient absorption. By consuming water on an empty stomach, you pave the way for efficient assimilation of essential nutrients from your daily diet. 9. Digestive harmony and regularity. Water ensures a smooth journey along the digestive tract, warding off constipation and promoting regular and healthy bowel movements, a key to overall digestive health. 10. Holistic health boost. Hydration stands as a cornerstone for comprehensive health. Commencing your day with water sets a health-conscious tone, ensuring that your body operates at its prime throughout the day. Committing to the habit of drinking water on an empty stomach establishes a small yet mighty foundation for improved health. This ritual can serve as a springboard for a myriad of positive impacts on your overall well-being. Remember, consistency in this practice is the linchpin to reaping its vast array of benefits.